for today's lesson, we're going to talk about looking for macromolecules in your food. We're going to be testing for our lipids, our starches, our sugars, and our proteins. We're going to start with Mrs. Fisher and our lipids.
Well, you can see here by the bag that it comes slightly transparent from the oils that were in the fries. So you can see that there are lipids in this bag with the fries.
Very popular restaurant.
Yes, very popular.
If you want to look for starches in your foods, you can get some iodine and put some on your favorite starch, or if you're not sure, see if it has starches in it. So it's pretty simple. Just want to get it on there. It's going to start off looking a little red, but as it sits and starts reacting with the starches, it's going to turn black. Same thing with our animal crackers. Cow started it off tan, but over time it's going to look spotted.
All right, this is Mrs. Kohler back again to show you how you test for sugars. So in order to test for sugar, you actually have to do a little bit of work, and instead of showing you a really long experiment, I'm just going to show you the end. So you have to actually take the food, run it through a blender, and mix it in some water. And then you add a thing called Benedict's solution, and then you put it in boiling water for several minutes. So the Benedict's solution itself looks like this. It's got a blue color. And then the more sugars are present in the food, the more of a yellow, orange, or red color you're going to get. So you can see this one has just a tiny bit of sugars in it because it's just got a little bit of an orange tint. And then as you go over, there's progressively more and more sugar in those substances. All right, the last food test that we're going to talk about today is testing for proteins. In order to test for proteins, you add a solution called Biuret solution. Biuret solution is normally a dark blue color, but when you add it to something that contains protein, it produces this really nice violet color, and that indicates that what it is that you have tested contains protein.